time entry in Deltek CostPoint.
Adding holiday and PTO charge codes to your timesheet in Deltek CostPoint. This video will walk through the process of adding PTO and holiday charge codes to an open timesheet in Deltek CostPoint. Let's pretend that tomorrow, May 18th, 2021, we are taking leave, which has been already approved by our regional supervisor. Let's walk through the process of adding the PTO or paid time off charge code to our timesheet. Similar process as adding our labor charge code to the timesheet. We'll go to Add Line and then find the magnifying glass in the project column of the new line. Click there. This time for PTO, we will click on the indirect box. Next, we'll click on Fringe Benefits, find PTO or paid time off, click there. And there's no plus sign here next to paid time off, so we're going to click Select to continue. We'll click a Save button in the upper left-hand corner to save this charge code to our timesheet. And now we have the charge code here. Keep in mind that anytime you use the paid time off charge code, you should always seek supervisor permission to do so and seek approval for any leave time that you need to take. And also, paid time off charge codes can be added to your timesheet and PTO time can be entered to your timesheet in advance. So even if today was Monday, May 17th, 2021, we can add 8 hours of PTO to that time code here for PTO for the charge code and save it to our timesheet because PTO can be saved in our timesheet in advance of the actual date. For this purpose, for this timesheet, we're going to look at the holiday at the end of the month. The holiday for this pay period is May 31st, 2021, which happens to be Memorial Day for the year 2021. We can also add holiday time before the actual date to our timesheet. So let's walk through the process of what that looks like. We're going to first begin by clicking Add Line. Click the magnifying glass under the project column. And then we'll click Indirect again. Fringe Benefits, similar to PTO. And here we'll be sure to click the holiday charge code. There's not a plus sign here, so we're going to go ahead and click Select and then immediately click Save to ensure that this charge code, the holiday charge code, is saved to our timesheet. So now we can enter that time in advance. Memorial Day, which happens to be May 31st, 2021 this year, is a company-approved holiday, so we can go ahead and add that time to our timesheet in advance of the actual date. We'll add 8 hours of holiday time and click Save to continue. So we've walked through the process, reviewed adding the regular charge code for labor to our timesheet, and then discussed adding a PTO and holiday charge code to our timesheet and entering time, which may be completed in advance of the actual date. Key to note here is that we should always be sure that we seek supervisor permission and approval for any leave and any time that we use the PTO charge code in advance of using that charge code. Additionally, the holiday charge code is only for use for company-approved holidays. This concludes the video to demonstrate adding PTO and holiday charge codes to an open timesheet. Thank you for joining us.